मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। गुरुं हि स्वयं सत्यः प्रज्ञाभक्तिविनीतयः विहित्तिश्चाभिव्रता नित्यं तं गुरुं प्रणमाम्यहम्। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि। सर्वं ब्रह्म औपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्यां मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्। अनिराकरणमस्तु अनिराकरणं मे अस्तु। तदात्मनि निरते यमुपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। यश्चित्तेन्द्रियमारुतेरणकरः नेत्रस्य नेत्रं च तं श्रोत्रश्रोत्रमिमं हृदोऽपि हृदयं वाचश्च वाचं परम्। प्राणप्राणमिहाधिगम्य कुशलाः आत्मानमस्सैषणाः त्यक्त्वेमां तनुमाप्नुवन्ति परमम् विष्णोः पदं शाश्वतम्। चक्षुर्नाञ्चति यत्र वागभिमनः ज्ञाताद्यदन्यत्तथा ज्ञाताद्यन्न गिरोदितं समुदिता वाणी च येन स्वयम्। बुद्ध्यायन्नमतं च येन तु मता बुद्धिश्रवश्चक्षुषी यज्जानादि न यद्यतो नितिमरुत् तद्ब्रह्मणोपासितम्। वेदाहं बृहदित्यवैति मनसा यो वेददभ्रं स तत् नो वेदास्मि न वेदनेति मनुते यो वेद सम्यक् स तत्। विज्ञातं त्वभिजानतां बृहदभिज्ञातं पुनर्जानताम्। ज्ञातं मे प्रतिबोध मे तदिति तत् मत्वामृतं विन्दते। So next is also discussed in the previous class, but here I just wanted to draw your attention to one point. See, towards the end of the commentary of verse 9, which is essentially the last quarter of verse 9, he was explaining Pratibodha Viditam Matam. So there I was trying to explain how one could take it Jnatam in the Kartari sense. Before that, this Yadva, Yadva, there are two different Vyakhyanas. I just wanted to provide a small clarification between the two. So whenever a commentator comments Yadva, Yadva or else, so this or else can be either completely different meaning or a small twist, okay, in the Anvaya. So here what we notice is in the first Yadva, Yadva me pratibodham. So here the word me so has been associated with me pratibodham. Okay. In the second Yadva, so here he says Yadva pratibodham jnanam. So having taken the bhava vyutpatti pratibodham jnanam, सर्वबुद्धि वृत्ति साक्षी तदेतत् ब्रह्म मे स्वरूपम. So this is the only difference that he is trying to bring in. So this has to be kept in mind. So what is the difference between the first Vyakhyana and the second Vyakhyana? So there may goes as an adjective to Pratijnanam. So here he is bringing this may to the Pratibodham. In general, having said Jnanam. Okay, so that is the difference. So now we move on to verse 10. Janat. We read that, right? Okay. Janatyetadihaivayosti sada brahmatmana sarvataha no janati tu yo vinashamayate bhuyam samajñassanam ज्ञात्वैवं कुशलाविचिन्त्य परमं भूतेषु भूतेषु तत् ब्रह्मास्म्येकमिति प्रपद्य परिहायाङ्गं भजन्ते मृतम्. So this verse I told you is basically the commentary of the fifth mantra of the second khanda of the Kenopanishad. So we saw the Bhashya in the previous class. Now we will quickly see the commentary which Janakara has written for this verse. Sujanattetadihaiva yosti sasada brahmatmana sarvataha. So the commentary starts with Brahmajnanat na kevalam brahmabhavaha kintu तदभाव प्रयुक्त विनाशाभावोपि इत्याह. Janatīti. So if you gain this Brahmajnana, then Brahmabhava. Brahmabhava is essentially you will be really remaining as an Ananda Rupa. Okay, so this is all it means. So you will be Ananda Rupa. So Brahmabhavaha Tadabhava Prayukta Vinashabhavopi Ityaha. So Tadabhava Prayukta Vinashaha Tadabhavopi. So you have to understand. If you do not have, then it is Vinasha. You can save yourself from that also. Okay, so this is what he is trying to convey here. So Janatyetadihaiva Yaha ihaiva janati. So ihaiva janati. So this has been explained as Manushya Janmanyeva. Normally the word iha means here. Okay. Pustakam kutra vartate ihaiva vartate. So this iha refers to a desha. It can refer to a desha. Sometimes it can refer to kala. Okay. Sometimes it can refer to, as in this verse, so here Manushya Janmani. So it can refer to loka, it can refer to desha, it can refer to kala. So there are various senses in which it can be employed. Here it has been employed in the sense of Manushya Janmanyeva. Iha. So Asminneva Janmani. So that is how he is interpreting this word Iha. Manushya Janmanyeva. Manushya Janmanyeva. Why is it being said? So you have got it now. Dullabham trayamevaitat daivanugraha hetukam manushyattvam mumukshustvam mahapurusha samshrayaha. And in fact, there is a very interesting thing. So not even in Manushya Janma. I think there is this Prahlada brings in little more to that. first verse in Prahladopadesha. So Kaumara acharet prajnaha dharman bhagavatani hai durlabham manusham janma tadapyadhruvamarthadam. So he brings in so much more value to this. See here in the third quarter he says durlabham manusham janma. Having said that, he says tadapi adhruvam arthadam. So this adhruvam means, so it is not something which has been guaranteed. In fact, today there was a news sent by the director that so one of the faculty members passed away because of this. So adhruvam means something which is not guaranteed. Dhruvam means thayi. Tadapi adhruvam arthadam. Arthadam means purusharthadam. For it to give you purushartha, he says Kaumara charet prajnaha dharman bhagavatani hai. Don't postpone. Okay? So for becoming 70. So Kaumara acharet prajnaha. Prajnaha, if you are an intelligent person, so you understand the significance of it as you are young. Dharman bhagavatani hai durlabham manusham janma. That's why he is saying ihaiva manushya janmanyeva. There is a special usage for iha. Remember, we read this verse in Viduraniti. Shaddoshah purusheneha hatavya bhutimichhata. I repeat. Shaddoshah purusheneha. Shaddoshah purusheneha. Shaddoshah purusheneha hatavya bhutimichhata. Hatavya bhutimichhata. Hatavya bhutimichhata. Here the word iha, I am saying this because this word iha has been used asminneva kale. So asmin janmani is the sense in which we have used it. See, iha chedavedit. And asminneva kale is also, see, shaddoshaha purusheneha hatavya bhutimichhata. What are the six? Nidra, Tandra, Bhayam, Krodha. Nidra, Tandra, Bhayam, Krodha. Nidra, Tandra, Bhayam, Krodha. Alasyam, Dirgha Sutrata. Alasyam, Dirgha Sutrata. Alasyam, Dirgha Sutrata. It's a very powerful message. So, seeing you. He says, Nidra, Tandra, Bhayam, Krodha. 6 things he is listing. So, Nidra means the oversleeping. Okay? Nidra, and sleeping anytime as you like, both. Then, Tandra. Okay? Tandra means expressing a sense of fatigue. I'm so tired, exasperated. Tandra, doing small amount of work. Nidra, Tandra. Third is Bhayam, okay, fear, anxiety. Krodha, anger. And then he says Alasyam, laziness. Dirgha Sutrata. Dirgha Sutrata means one can either say it as procrastination or doing something, see, or taking nx times a work which is to be done in x hours. See, this is what is, n is large. So this is Dirgha Sutrata. See, so these things you have to avoid. Shaddosha Purusheneha. Iha means right away. Should start leaving them one by one. Shaddosha Purusheneha. Iha Kale. iha deshe, iha asmin janmani. See, so here janat yetad ihaiva asmin janmanyeva etat janati. Etat means this Brahma. See, the nature of Atman. Brahma janati sa sada brahmatmana sarvatah saha sadapi sarvatah sarvatrapi brahmatmana vartate. So saha sada brahmatmana vartate. So sada sarvatra. So this person who has got this vision, so wherever he is, at all times, he can only see other things as manifestation of Brahman. Okay, so that is the truth that he is seeing. Okay, sarvam brahmamayam. Vidyate nakadachidapi tasya asatvam ityartha yastu etat. See, the one who misses this, yastu etat najanati, who does not realize this, saha ajnaha. Here na means manushyaha, na narau naraha. Okay, so naraha can be bahuvachanam, naraha can be ekavachanam. Na narau naraha. See, from rishabdas. See, so naro dhavati is okay, naro dhavanti is also okay. Na narau naraha. So bhuyamsam ajnasana, bhuyamsam vinasham. See, so vinasham. See, narakapatadi lakshanam ayate prapnoti. So narakapatadi lakshanam. Narakapatadi lakshanam means swarupam. So the question is, one can ask now, as he is living, okay, so as he is living, there are some problems, jara, marana and so on. But as he is living, then narakapatadi lakshanam, how? So we say, no, what a hell. What a hell, the situation into which I have landed. So narakapatadi lakshanam. So here, after leaving this sharira, he will go to naraka. Okay, need not be taken. Even as he lives, so he experiences naraka and he creates an experience for others also. See, more than he experiences, he creates a naraka for others. See, that's kama krodha, that's the problem. Narakapatadi lakshanam mayate prapnoti. It's prapnoti right away. Okay, prapayati cha. Then narakapata bhuyam samajnasana jnatvaevam kushala vishintya. What is to be done? Jnatva evam jnatva means, so that this is the truth. Jnatvaevam kushalaha jnatvaevam kushala vishintya paramam bhuteshu bhuteshu tat brahmasmyekamiti. Bhuteshu bhuteshu, in every being, bhuteshu bhuteshu vichintya dhiraha. So every being, he is seeing that. Bhuteshu bhuteshu sarvatrapi tat param brahma vichintya dhyatva. Dhyatva. In fact, one has to take some amount of time to think about oneself. So jnatva, that is how one has to train. In fact, there is a beautiful verse. So those who have been able to go beyond a certain level, for them, so it may be possible for spending hours in meditation. So for those who do not possess that, at least few minutes. So it's pranayama, yoga, dharana. So this has to be done. Now there is a nice verse. Dhanyanam girikandareshu vasatam jyotif param dhyayatam. Here he says dhyatva. It's a very beautiful verse. Dhanyanam girikandareshu vasatam. So he is describing of people who have been able to elevate themselves, transcend, and then spend more hours. For that, they go to some special places. So there he is describing this also. Dhanyanam girikandareshu vasatam. Meaning they dwell like Ramana. Girikandareshu vasatam jyotif param dhyayatam. Anandashrukanam pibanti shakunaha nishankamankesayaha. So the animals the birds are able to beautifully relate. Okay, so this is something which we have to understand from the Kavyas. So Kalidasa expresses in various ways. Bhartrihari expresses. So they come and then they find you as someone who can give comfort to them. Anandashrukana. This is Anandashrukana. So sometimes they just drop tears, okay, out of Ananda. Okay. So tears can come out of Dukha. Tears can also come out of Ananda, right? Anandashrukana pibanti shakunaha. So the birds, they come and sit on his lap or her lap, and then that water droplet that comes from the eyes product they take. Pibanti shakuna. Nishankam means they don't have any doubt whether this fellow is going to drive me away. They just feel comfortable and then sit and take. Nishankam keshayaha. Asmakantu manoratho parachita prasada vapi tata krida kanana kelikautukalusham ayuh param kshiyate. So what is the story about ourselves? Asmakantu, okay, asmakantu manorathoparachita. So manorathoparachita prasada vapi tata krida kanana keli kautuka jusham ayuh param kshiyate. This is a nice description. So this fellow does not have a big mansion, but he thinks that tomorrow I may be able to get such a big mansion which has a swimming pool in that, so which has 2 layers of car parking, whatever. Manoratho parachita prasada vapi tata krida kanana. There is a part within my own house. Krida kanana keli kautukalusham ayuh param kshiyate. The entire life is lost this way. So that's why he is saying, vichintya, you should slowly practice. Okay? See, that will be very useful, no? Suppose somebody shouts at you, you can go to the room. Very, very practical, extremely useful. Dhyatva, he says, Param Brahma. Okay. So Param Brahma Dhyatva Tadekam Brahma Aham Asmiti. Okay. Prapadye. So those who have practiced this, okay, in their day-to-day living, for them he says Angam Parihaya. So once this body gets dropped, so they merge with that entity. Amritam Brahma Bhajante. Let us read this. जानात्येतदिहैव योऽस्ति स सदा ब्रह्मात्मना सर्वतः नो जानाति तु यो विनाशमयते भूयां समज्ञः सनाः ज्ञात्वैवं कुशला विचिन्त्य परमं भूतेषु भूतेषु तत् ब्रह्मास्म्येकमिति प्रपद्य परिहायाङ्गं भजन्ते मृतम्। यस्यानुग्रहतः विजग्युरसुरान् इंद्रादयो देवताः शक्नोति स्म तृणम् न दग्धुमनलः क्षेप्तुं च नैवानिलः यस्यानुग्रहवर्जनात् अधिगतं देवैरुमा भाषितात् यक्षाकारधरं च यल्लसति तत् विद्योतनं विद्युताम्। This verse 11, is basically a summary of the entire third khanda. The third khanda of Kenopanishad has 12 mantras, short mantras, and all the 12 has been nicely summarized in one verse. So this has a very nice episode. So having said the essence of Vedanta and its importance in the just previous verse, Ihacheda Vedit. Now he is trying to present a certain episode which makes us appreciate certain qualities that are essential in us for imbibing this knowledge and putting it into practice. So hearing, listening, etc., it may get into, but for it to issue out into action, so there are certain virtues that are essential. So this episode has been brought in order to bring in those virtues. And there are several reasons which have been stated by Acharya in his commentary as to why this episode has been in place in this Upanishad. But I will just give you only one reason, so which is the most important reason. So here he says, Brahmavidya Vyatirekena Praninam Kartrutva Bhoktrutvadhyabhimanaha मिथ्या इत्येतत् दर्शनार्थं वा आख्यायिका. So, आख्यायिका means a certain story which has been built. What is the purpose of आख्यायिका? प्राणिनां कर्तृत्व भोक्तृत्वाद्यभिमानः मिथ्या इत्येतत् दर्शनार्थम्. So the abhimana, the over pride that we develop, that I am responsible for this success if it turns out to be a success, and the despondency into which you fall into when it turns out to be a failure. So not as per your expectation. So this kartrutva bhoktritva abhimanaha. Okay. So kartrutva bhoktritva abhimanaha that we have, etat mithya. See, I have seen some people in our own family when I was just maybe a primary school boy. One very, very elderly gentleman, see, in our family. See, he used to repeatedly say, so when people come and say, so you have done great thing, etc., etc., I am just an instrument in the hands of God. Okay? So every time he will say, okay? Absolutely no change in his expression. Hari Om, La Bhagavad Chittam. So he will repeatedly say this. I mean, he was 85, 90. Very, very. I have admired him, but I could not study him because I was just a primary school boy. I'm just reminded of that. So he had absolutely no abhimana whatsoever. And one thing which I remember, so that was very difficult. So I used to go to my grandfather's place, okay, during summer vacation. So he will make us walk almost 7-8 kilometers. So there is a Mullakudiya village and he lives in Puducherry. So we have to just walk in those days. So even bullock cart will not be available. So that is one thing. So on the way, I mean, he may say various stories. Okay. Yasyanugrahataha. Why am I saying this? So here he is trying to give a message. Anugrahataha means if I have achieved some success, so then it is because of his blessing. If it did not turn out to be, so then also, I mean, it is my karma phala. So this is the attitude which one has to take. So that, I mean, we don't boost our ego. So in that context, so this is an episode which has been introduced, wherein we find the characters are Indra, Agni, so all the Devata Gana. So here Bhagavad Pada says, Kartrutva bhoktritva dyabhimanaha mithya. So that it is we who won over. So that kind of a pride bordering on arrogance was noticed in Devas. Okay, so when they won over. So in order to curtail that, so this begins. Akhya yatha devanam. So here he gives the example. Yatha devanam jayad abhimanaha. So devanam jayadi abhimanaha. Brahma yathoktam lakshanam. So Bhagavad Pada in his introduction says, yathoktam lakshanam. So this is a very, very important message that he is trying to give here. Yathoktam lakshanam means Shrotrasya Shrotram Manaso Manaha. If at all you were able to achieve something. So there is a certain power within me which enabled me to take this decision at this point of time, and therefore I got the success. So instead of developing this ahankara, so you may be able to safeguard yourself. So here anugrahat. So that is the point. Brahma yathokta lakshanam means, so it was described as the sole source of energy for everything to function. Okay? Yathokta lakshanam param hi devebhyaha arthaya vijigye Jayam labdhavat. The word vijigye. So we'll come to that. Vijigye is Jayam labdhavat. So it enabled the Devas to win over. Jayam labdhavat devanam. Then Asuranancha sangrame asuran jitva. Jagadaratin. Ishvara setu bhetru devebhya jayam. Tat phalancha prayachat. Why? Jagataha sthemni. So this is also a very interesting overall message that he gives. If the world has to sustain and run, so that there is a harmony which prevails throughout, then it has to be in the right hands. Okay. So compared to Asuras, so Devas had more virtues. So Jagataha sthemne is a nice usage. Sthemne means for the sustenance of this world. Okay, in a harmonious manner, if the world has to function, then it has to be in the right hands. After all, they were all given some portfolio. It is like, so Prime Minister, Minister and so on and so forth, right? So it is in that sense he is trying to say. So this is how it was designed, so it was given. So this is the statement. So first mantra actually goes as Brahma devebhyo vijigye. Brahma devebhyo vijigye. Tasya brahmano vijaye. Deva amahiyanta. Ta aikshanta. Asmakamevayam vijayaha. Asmakamevayam mahimeti. See, this is a very beautiful narrative. Brahma devebhyo vijigye. Tasya brahmano vijaye. So it actually goes to him. Tasya brahmano vijaye. Deva amahiyanta. So these devas, they felt, it is because of our own power, our own skills. So we have won over. So etc. Some abhimana was growing in them. Okay. Ta aikshanta. Ta aikshanta means they thought this way. What did they think? Asmakamevayam vijayaha. Asmakamevayam mahimeti. Asma, it is the glory of ours which made us win. Okay. Asmakamevayam mahimeti. Now, let me explain to you this word, which is a very interesting word, vijigye. How does this come about? So this is very clear from the context. See, vijigye. So this vijigye, Brahma vijigye. See, it is like Ramaha jayati, something like that. The Ji dhatu. Ji dhatu, Ji jaye. Ji dhatu is usually a parasmaipadi. Parasmaipadi. So jayati, jayataha, jayanti. Jayasi, jayathaha, jayatha. So this is how it goes. So Bhadigana, parasmaipadi. Then how does this come about? Jigye. Of course, this is a past. This is a past. So this it is a lit lakara. So this lit lakara, this past tense, if it comes, it will be like this. Okay. So you repeat. Jigaya, jigyatuhu, jigyuhu.
Jigaya, jigyuhu, jigyuhu.
Again.
Jigaya, jigyatuhu,
Jigyatuhu.
jigyatuhu,
Jigyuhu. So jigayitha, jigyathuhu, jigya. Jigayitha, jigayitha, jigyathuhu,
jigyatuhu,
jigya.
jigya. Jigayitha,
Jigyathuhu,
jigya.
Jigaya, jigyiva, jigyima.
Jigaya,
Jigyiva, jigyima.
jigyima.
Jigaya, Jigiva, Jigima. Okay, why am I saying is, here if you find our Ramaraya, the first line, you see the word Vijigyuhu, he is using. So in the lit lakara, so just now as I told you, Jigaya, Jigyatuhu, Jigyuhu. Jigyuhu is plural. Okay? Jigaya, Jigyatuhu, Jigyuhu. Okay? Whereas in the Upanishad, you find it as Jigye. Brahma devebhyo vijigye. This V is just an upasarga. Okay? Visheshataha jayam prapnot. Visheshataha jayam prapnot. You can say. Actually, this dhatu is not a ubhayapadi. One can ask this question. So the famous emblem has Satyameva Jayate. So how do you have this? Satyameva Jayate. If this dhatu is a parasmepadi, Satyameva Jayati. So that is how you have to use. Somebody posed me this question long back. Then I also looked into that, and then it is only parasmepada. Then I realized so that those who wanted to have this, okay, as logo, so they would have chosen as it is from the Upanishad. It is like LIC saying Yogakshemam Vahamyaham. So he just pulled up from the Gita, right? So similarly, so they have taken it from the Upanishad as such. We have this Mundaka Upanishad. See, Satyameva Jayate Nandatam Satyena Pantha Vitato Devayanaha. That should be considered as an Arsha Prayoga. Okay. So we cannot use Jayate, okay, when we write. So Jayati will be the right form. So right form to write. Now here, how do we have this form Vijigye? Vijigye actually, in order to explain the usages, see, Vijayate, Parajayate, you would have seen in various places. So in order to explain, take care of those things, so Panini has given a sutra. Viparabhyam jehe. Viparabhyam jehe. Viparabhyam jehe. So Anuvritti is Atmanepadam. So Viparabhyam jehe Atmanepadam. So Viparabhyam means, so the Ji Dhatu, when it is preceded by, or rather when it is followed by these two prefixes, Viparabhyam jehe. Ji is the Dhatu. When it is preceded by. So in English you have to write. So you can either say the Dhatu follows these two, or Dhatu is preceded by these two. So here he is saying, see, so this Ji Dhatu, okay, so which follows these two, Viparabhyam jehe. So the Satmane Padam will be there. So in which case, what will happen is, Vijigye is the form. Okay. So Vijigye. So there you had Jigaya. Here you will have Jigye. Okay. So you say Jigye Jigyate Jigyire.
Jigye Jigyate Jigyire.
Very good. Jigye Jigyate Jigyire. Jigaishe Jigyate Jigyidve. Jigyate Jigyidve. Then Jigye Jigyivahe Jigyimahe. So Jigyate Jigye Jigyate Jigyire. Jigyishe 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 Jigyate So you should use Vijay. So V will be or para will be added. So V added means, so it is a glorious victory. So para added means it is a glorious defeat. Okay. So that is how it is. So parajayate. See? So vijayate, parajayate. So this is how we have to understand. So these two words. Okay. Now there is a problem, real problem. So I could not figure out. So I asked Vyakarana scholars also. So just a short while ago, they also said they don't know. So whether this form which has been employed by Ramaraya, the Vijigyuhu, as it appears in the first part of the verse, so it is not something which can be justified by the Paninian rules. So as far as, because once you add this prefix, so it has to necessarily take this form, Atmanepada. So Vijigyuhu is actually the plural in Parasmaipada. So therefore, so Jigaya, Jigyatuhu, Jigyuhu. So the Jigyuhu will not work here. Okay. So somehow NV has been introduced. So now we will see. Yasyanugrahato Vijigyurasuran. Yasyanugrahataha Vijigyuhu Asuran. Ke Asuran Vijigyuhu. This Devaha. See, Devataha. Devataha Yasyanugraha. So by whose blessings? Yasyanugrahato Vijigyurasuran Indradayo Devataha. See, in fact, if we carefully analyze various events, so within a fraction of second, certain decisions will be taken which will completely change the course of the game, and that is sort of spontaneously coming out. It need not always necessarily be. So this I have seen. So those spontaneous decisions which actually turn around to something, so it's not something which is instantaneously, very, very thoughtfully decided by you. That is why people repeatedly say Anugraha, Anugraha, Anugraha. Okay. So this Anugraha is basically the blessing that we have to take the right decision at a certain moment of time. So Yasyanugrahataha. So sometimes we need not take decision. We have to just decide to listen to others. So that decision I will follow. Okay. So that mindset also is very crucial. So that is why we just say, Anugraha. Yasyanugrahataha. Even while doing this battle. Okay. So certain moves that you make makes a lot of difference. Vijigyuhu Asuran. Asuran Vijigyuhu. Who? Indradayo Devataha. Indradayo Devataha. Shaknoti Smatrinam Nadadhumanalaha. Kshiptun cha Naivanilaha. The word Analaha refers to fire. Anilaha refers to Vayu. Now the episode basically goes like this. So they were very proud, and as they were extremely proud, so a lesson has to be taught to them. So this was the decision that is taken by the Almighty. And then, so the mantra goes like this. Tadhaisham vijajñau tebhyoha pradurbabhuva annavyajanata kimidam yakshamiti. The story goes like this. Tadhaisham vijajñau. Tadhaisham vijajñau. Vijajñau. Vijajñau means jnatavatu. It knew. Vijajñau. Brahma vijajñau. Okay, so the Brahman understood. So the source of the power understood, that this is the thought process which is going on in their minds. Yesham mithekshanam. Okay, mithekshanam means the false pride. Mithekshanam vijajñau jnatavat. Okay, by Bhagavad Pada says sarvekshitrihi. That's sakshi. Sarvekshitrihi tat sarvabhuta karana prayoktritvat. Sarvabhuta karana prayoktritvat. That is what the whole discussion was in the first two khandas. So sarvakarana prayoktritvat. So prayoktritvat devanancha mithya jnanam upalabhya. So Bhashyakara nicely brings in the connection. Devanam mithya jnanam upalabhya. So this kind of an attitude, arrogant attitude, which is breeding in them. So having noticed that, what did you do? See, Maiva Asuravat Devaha. Other fellows, see, so they were taught a lesson. So these fellows also are turning into asuras. Maiva Asuravat Devaha Mithyabhimanatvat Parabhave Yuriti Tad Anukampaya Devan Mithyabhimana Apanodanena. Apanodanam means, so eradicating that mithyabhimana in them. For that, apanodanena anugrinhiyamiti. Anugrinhiyamiti tebhyaha devebhyaha. What did he do? Kila arthaya pradurbabhuva. Pradurbabhuva means it came in front, appeared in front. Tebhyoha pradurbabhuva. Tadhaisham vijajñau tebhyoha pradurbabhuva. So pradurbabhuva suddenly appeared when all devas were sitting together. Okay, so let us say, so they were in some party. So dhadak, it just came. So Indra was there, Varuna was there, Agni was there, everyone was there. Pradurbabhuva suddenly appeared. Tannavyajanata. These people did not know what it is. They were completely frightened. Tannavyajanata. Even if a lizard falls, so we are frightened. Okay. Suddenly a Tej of Punja appears in front of them. Okay. They were really frightened on the one hand and completely amazed. What is this happening? So because we thought that we are the superpowers. Pradurbabhuva tat pradurbhutam brahma navyajanata. See, navyajanata means they did not know. Navijnatavantaha ke devaha. Okay. Tannavyajanata kimidam yakshamiti. Yaksham pujyam mahadbhutam. Okay. So something which is there in front of us. So what is this? So they were really scared. So then actually the story goes. So Tegnim abruvan Jataveda etadvijanihi kimetadyakshamiti. The other fellow said, the Agni, why don't you go and find out? Okay. Jataveda. See, they just praised Agni because the term itself, this is a nice alankara. Okay. Sabhipraye visheshyetu bhavet parikarankuraha. Okay. So when you use a certain visheshya, okay, with a certain intention in mind, so then it is a parikarankura alankara. Okay. So Sabhipraye visheshyetu bhavet parikarankura. Similarly here Jataveda, what does it mean? You know whatever that is. So, Jatam sarvam vettiti jatavedaha. So this fellow said, anyway you know. So all that is coming up. Okay. Etadvijanihi. Why don't you go and find out for us? What is this? Etadvijanihi kimetadyakshamiti. So that fellow said, tatha tatheti. Kimetadyakshamiti tatheti tadabhyadravat. So he went close to that. See, tadabhyadravat tamabhyavadat. So went and said, what did he say? Kositi. Tadabhyadravat tamabhyavadat. Kosi. So tamabhyavadat. So tam abhyavadat. So that Jyotihi, so just asked, Kositi. It asked. See. So who are you, man? So that asked, Kositi. Okay. So then this fellow said, Agnirva ahamasmi bravit jata veda va ahamasmiti. So this fellow said, Agni, I am called Agni. I am not only Agni. So I know everything. See, jata veda, anything that comes into existence cannot come into existence without my knowledge. So jata veda va ahamasmiti. Okay. So Agni, that first sentence would have been sufficient, no? But he added something more. Okay. Jata veda va ahamasmiti. So then you should know, who am I? He doesn't know. Jata veda va ahamasmiti. So then that Jyoti asked, Tasmin svai kim viryamiti. So can you tell me, so where you are very efficient? So what is your strength? Tasmin svai kim viryamiti. So Agni said, Apidagum sarvam daheyam edidam prithiviyamiti. Okay. So I can burn everything in the world. Apidam sarvam daheyam edidam prithiviyamiti. So whatever is there I can burn. Apidagam sarvam daheyam edidam prithiviyamiti. So then, so this Bhuta decided, this Yaksha. So the form was not clear, but it said, so there will be a grass which will fall in front of you. May you burn that. Apidagam sarvam daheyam edidam prithiviyamiti tasmai trinannidadhau. Trinannidadhau means a blade of grass was dropped. Tasmai trinannidadhau. Okay. Etad daheti. Oh my dear, may you burn this. Okay. Tasmai trinannidadhau. Etad daheti. So this Agni fellow felt, what a shame it is. The blade of grass has been put in front of him. Okay. So then, anyway, so he wanted to burn it. So the beautiful prose here is, Taduva preyaya sarvajavena. Sarvajavena, with all his might. Okay, this fellow wanted to burn. Taduva preyaya sarvajavena. Tanna shashaka dagdhum. Nothing happened to that blade of grass. Tanna shashaka dagdhum. So he did not open his mouth. So terribly ashamed. So this fellow returned back. Okay. Tanna shashaka dagdhum. Satatayeva nivavrite. Okay. Nivavrite means, so he just returned. Okay. So highly ashamed by what happened. Tatayeva nivavrite. Then came and told, reported to the other fellows. I did not know what it was. This is what happened. I was terribly ashamed by what I could not do. So this is what he tells them. See, Tanna shashaka dagdhum sa tatayeva nivavrite naitadashakam vijñātum yadetadyakshamiti. I could not know what this Yaksha was. So this is what the episode is. So that is what has been brought out by this Ramaraya in the second half of the, second quarter of the verse. You see, Shaknoti smatrinam nadadhum analaha. The word analaha refers to fire. Okay. Trinamapi dagdhum na shaknoti sma. So this fellow was not able to even burn a blade of grass. शक्नोति स्म तृणं न दग्धुमनलः क्षेप्तुं च नैवानिलः anilaha refers to vayu. Okay, so anilaha ksheptuncha na shaknoti sma. Ksheptum means basically throwing away. Okay, so basically, so throwing away from some place is called kshepana. So suppose you want to throw, okay, the used leaf into a dustbin, that is kshepana. Okay, now here the next one is, so then Agni came. So these fellows cajoled Vayu. Okay, why don't you go? Okay. Vayum abruvan atha Vayum abruvan Vayo etadvijanihi kimetadyakshamiti tatheti tadabhyadavatu tamabhyavadat kositi. Same question. Vayurvahamasmi tyabravin matadishvavahamasmiti. Okay, tell me, okay, what are your strengths? So he said, okay, apidagam sarvam adadiya idam prithvivyamiti. I can lift everything in the earth. Okay, sarvam adadiya idam prithvivyamiti tasmai trinan nidadhau yetada datsveti. Hello, why don't you lift this? Absolutely. Yetada datsveti. तदुपप्रेयाय सर्वजवेन तन्नशशाका दातुं स तत एव निवृते नैतदशकं विज्ञातुं यथेतद्यक्षमिति. That's all. See, so that is what he says. क्षिप्तुं च नैवानिलः. Okay, so we'll stop here. ॐ सर्वे सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ